All right. If you're here for part 2, that means you survived part 1.
Before we start part 2, quick heads up. There's a giveaway at the end of this video. Yep, a real one. So don't leave early. You'll thank me later.
The episode where AI Slop kidnapped the internet, brainwashed everyone with fake cats, and almost turned humanity into digital mashed potatoes.
Yeah. Part 1 was basically, AI ruined everything. Please scream. But today? Oh, today is worse.
So if you thought AI cats with 6 tails were scary, wait till you hear what's happening behind the scenes.
Welcome to part 2. Buckle up. Things are about to get aggressively real.
Join the crew, you can't go wrong.
And of course, cats. The last free citizens of the internet. Symbols of chaos, freedom, and accidental comedy. But even cats, our sacred meme creatures, have now been kidnapped by the AI Slop machine. We've got AI cat videos pulling millions of views, with creatures that don't even exist. Fluffy, shiny, digital furballs doing parkour in space, typing on keyboards, or giving life advice like, meow your dreams into reality. It's absurd and hilarious. You scroll thinking, wow, what a cute cat. Then realize, bro, that cat's eyes are literally glowing like headlights and it has 6 tails. And what's wild? People share these fake cats more than real ones because they're cleaner, cuter, more perfect. Like perfection ever made anything funny. Sometimes the AI even creates bizarre storylines, like the cat who fell in love with ChatGPT, or a billionaire cat starting a crypto empire. We're literally watching digital fairy tales starring imaginary furballs. And here's the craziest part. Even on our own channel, Izzi and Buzzi, we tested it. We posted 2 short videos, pure cat trend experiments, just to see what would happen. And guess what? They exploded. Like full-on viral madness. Thousands of views, weird engagement spikes, all while the rest of our educational, high-effort videos were just sitting quietly in the corner sipping coffee. It's funny, but also kinda scary. Because it proves that the internet now rewards randomness more than relevance. You can spend hours crafting a video about science or psychology, but one AI cat with glowing whiskers can steal the show. And that's the problem. We're feeding the algorithm nonsense, and it's learning that nonsense is exactly what we want. So yeah, even cats aren't safe anymore. But at least they're still funny. And maybe, just maybe, laughter is our last real form of resistance. Okay, before you throw your phone out the window, it's not all doom. Yes, AI slop is everywhere. But here's the twist. Humans still win when they're real. You know why people still watch chaotic creators with bad lighting and no filters? Because it feels alive. The best content isn't perfect. It's personal. It has fingerprints, stutters, weird laughs, and that human spark. AI can't fake. That's why a badly edited vlog can outperform a perfectly rendered AI motivational reel. Because authenticity cuts through the sludge like a knife. If you're a creator, stop trying to beat AI at being efficient. You'll never win. Instead, beat it at being human. Laugh weirdly. Misspell words. Tell stories that make no sense but somehow make people cry. The day everything looks the same, your flaws become your superpower. AI slop is like fast food. It fills you up, but doesn't feed your soul. And deep down, even the algorithm knows. Humans are better at being messy. So no, the internet isn't dead. It's just buried under a mountain of auto-generated garbage. And we, the weird, chaotic species that invented memes and cat videos, we can still dig it out. You know how we once stood at the beginning of the internet, when it was wild, unpredictable, full of promise and little regulation? That's exactly where we are now with AI. This isn't about robots taking over. It's about humans deciding how we'll use this power. Let's flip the script. Because yes, there is a bright side to AI when used right. In healthcare, AI is not just hype. It's already saving lives. One estimate says AI could reduce up to 86% of errors made by healthcare workers, potentially saving more than 250,000 lives each year. At UC San Diego Health, predictive AI systems are estimated to save around 50 lives each year in emergency rooms. A study showed patients whose care teams received AI alerts were 43% more likely to get early intervention and showed lower mortality rates. In law enforcement, AI-assisted analysis raised crime-solving rates from around 45% to 68% in some regions. And for accessibility, Be My Eyes introduced Be My AI, helping blind users see their surroundings through detailed image descriptions. Pure magic in action. Kids growing up now will inherit an AI world. If we ignore how they use AI, we risk giving them a playground built by someone else's algorithm. But if we teach them to steer it, we give them a superpower. How we can make AI work for us, and not the other way around. Use AI as a tool, not a crutch. Let humans lead. Stay critical. Always ask, what's the data? Who built it? What bias might it have? For kids, teach them that AI-generated doesn't mean truth. For creators, use AI to amplify your voice, not replace it. For society, demand transparency and fairness in how AI is built and used. When the internet began, it was messy, wild, and human. With AI, we actually know what we're doing this time: the good, the bad, and the potential. So yes, it's like the early internet all over again. But if we act wisely, we can make it smarter, kinder, and more human than ever before. To everyone watching, whether you're a creator, parent, student, or dreamer, use AI. Learn it, question it, but don't fear it, because this isn't about being replaced. It's about being empowered. When we master the tool instead of being mastered by it, that's when we truly win. Let's go write that story together.
All right. If you're still here, you're officially built different. Let me hit you with a quick recap before your brain logs out. Part 1. AI Slop invaded the entire internet. Fake cats, fake influencers, fake motivational gurus, and enough deepfakes to confuse an entire generation. The whole web turned into a cheap buffet. Lots of food, zero nutrition. Part 2. We went full madness. The future of the web, the danger, the hope, the AI that saves lives, the AI that ruins attention spans, and the tiny chance we all end up as confused digital goldfish. You know, normal Tuesday energy. Now listen, if you really want to understand Izzi and Buzzi, you have to watch our playlist. Best of Izzi and Buzzi, must watch. Trust me, it hits harder than your morning coffee. Before you go, smash that like button, hit subscribe like you're fighting AI Slop, and drop a comment telling me, Part 1 or Part 2, which one melted your brain more? See you in the next episode. Unless the bots replace us first.
Wait, Buzzy! We totally forgot the giveaway question. Unbelievable. We just dropped a whole documentary and almost skipped the fun part. All right, here it is. In part 1, what's the magic word that explains why we still click fake garbage? Yes, even when we know it's nonsense.
Oh, come on, Izzy. That's basically a boss-level question. Fine. I'll give them a hint before they riot in the comments. We also mentioned this magical word in the soccer video. Yeah, go watch it. The link is down below. If you find the word, congratulations. You now understand the entire internet. And hey, don't forget, the chocolate video giveaway is still open. Yes, 2 giveaways. Because apparently we're Oprah now. See you guys soon. And remember, like the video, subscribe, and pretend the algorithm loves us. Follow us, support us, and help this channel go global before AI Slop replaces us with 2 robots who actually upload on time.